It's hat season, guys, or I also like to call it baseball season. And I need to wear a hat when I'm watching my kid play baseball because, quite frankly, I'll go to sunburn if I don't. Anyhow, I thought I'd spice it up with this nice flag patch. It's really nice. It's really nicely made. And as you can see, this is how you do. All you do is to iron it on is find yourself a hard surface. Okay. Get your iron out. Press down for 40 seconds. Don't go back and forth or anything. And presto. Well, that's just showing you. This is what it came out. I already did one. Came out nice. It comes with a set of 10. My kid already took one. I got one here. So, nice little addition to the hat. Guys should get one.